Electric vehicles are no longer just an environmental choice for Uzbekistan. They are part of a broader economic strategy aimed at modernizing transport, attracting investment, and building new industrial capacity. Hello and welcome to Business Line Uzbekistan. From electric cars and buses to charging networks and shared mobility services, Uzbekistan is treating green mobility as a business sector with growth potential. The government has introduced an ecological transport framework and eco-stickers to speed up the shift to cleaner vehicles. This creates clearer market signals for consumers and investors. Public transport electrification is a key priority. Authorities aim for electric buses to make up 50% of urban fleets by 2030, supported by large-scale investment in modern transit systems. Tram services, already operating in Samarkand, reflect renewed spending on efficient urban transport. By July 2025, more than 73,000 electric vehicles had been registered nationwide, with almost 56,000 in Tashkent alone, indicating strong urban uptake. EV imports are also rising rapidly. Between January and August 2025, around 29,000 electric cars were imported, accounting for roughly 70% of all passenger car imports during that period. The economic framework behind this transition includes financial incentives designed to attract capital. Preferential loans are planned to support electric vehicle purchases and charging infrastructure. At the same time, tax exemptions for charging equipment aim to maintain competitive operating costs. Here is more. Samarkand, major historical and cultural center of Uzbekistan, is becoming a testing ground for sustainable urban transport. 2 tram lines now carry up to 10,000 passengers daily, easing congestion and cutting emissions.
Chexiya Respublikasidan olib kelingan vagonlar, bir kunlik bitta vagonimizning elektr sarfi 550 kilovatdan 600 kilovatgacha, uni agar pul miqdoriga olsak 600 ming so'm tashkil qiladi.
As part of the Green City initiative, Samarkand has also introduced e-buses operating on 10 main routes across the city. A fleet of 100 e-buses requires charging only once per day and can travel up to 400 kilometers on a full charge.
Bu elektroavtobuslar Xitoy Xalq Respublikasidan Yutong kompaniyasidan olib kelingan, 49 million dollar mablag' ajratilgan. Yevropa tiklanish taraqqiyot banki orqali yana 250 ta elektrobus olib kelinib, mana shu Samarqand shahar aholisi uchun xizmat qilish uchun rejalashtirilgan.
Beyond public transport, change is unfolding at street level. Cycling, once recreational, is increasingly becoming practical urban mobility.
Hisobda 1,5 mingta elektrovelosipedimiz bor. 200 tasi Samarqandda, 1300 tasi Toshkentda. Talabga qarab tuzilma ham juda yaxshi rivojlanyapti. O'tgan yil o'zida mana Shotor Rustaveli ko'chasida 7 kilometrlik yo'l qurildi.
The country is working to reduce environmental emissions by producing safe and eco-friendly electric vehicles domestically.
O'zbekistonda ekologik toza yangi energiyada harakatlanuvchi avtomobillarga bo'lgan talab kundan kunga oshib bormoqda. BYD ishlab chiqarishini 2024-yilda boshlab 4000 dona avtomobil ishlab chiqargan bo'lsa, 2025-yilda bu ko'rsatkich 20 mingtadan oshdi. Bu yilgi rejalarimiz 50 ming dona ishlab chiqarish va hammasini realizatsiya qilish.
For Uzbekistan, green mobility is not only about cleaner air, it's becoming a driver of economic modernization and technological expansion. Joining us now is Nodir Khudoyberdiyev, head of the project management group under the Ministry of Transport. Mr. Khudoyberdiyev, how does electric transport support Uzbekistan's sustainable development and economic growth?
O'zbekiston iqlim o'zgarish bo'yicha Parij kelishuvini ratifikatsiya qilgan mamlakat hisoblanadi. Umuman olganda O'zbekiston mintaqada ham va jahonda ham elektromobillarni xarid qilish, elektrobuslarni xarid qilish bo'yicha bir rivojlanayotgan mamlakatlar qatorida oladigan bo'lsa yetakchi o'rinlarni egallamoqda. Zaryadlash infrastrukturasi bozoridagi tashkilotlarga, kompaniyalarga bir qator imtiyozlar berilgan. Bu natijasida bugungi kunga bularning barchasi xususiy sektor tomonidan amalga oshirilmoqda. 2030-yilgacha ham yana Toshkent shahri uchun qo'shimcha tarzda yana kamida 500 ta elektrobuslar xarid qilish ko'zda tutilgan.
Thank you for joining us. Well, that's all we have time for this edition. You can get more business news at euronews.com. Thank you for watching.